In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Revolut is unavailable in your region at this moment error. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you are trying to use Revolut app and you're getting this error, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. First, most likely if you are receiving this, it's because you are using the app with VPN app turned on. If you have any VPN turned on your smartphone, turn it off or uninstall it from your phone to fix this. This also applies to any recently installed security app. However, even after doing this, you still have an issue, then it's time to troubleshoot Revolut app. To do this, go to your phone and look for settings. From settings, look for this option called apps. Now under apps, go to manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Revolut, and now if you tap on it, first go to force stop and okay to stop any background activities that might be causing this. Then go to clear data and clear cache and okay, and finally clear all data. Once you're done, you'll need to restart your smartphone and now log in afresh. Now everything should be up and running without any issue. However, at this point, if you still find a challenge with this, then most likely Revolut might have experienced an error. For that, you need to wait after some few minutes, try and log in to see if that fixes. But should this persist, then if you are in a different region other than your usual country, then you need to confirm with Revolut if that region is supported by Revolut. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.